Anhui Xingshi Hardware Tools Manufacturing Company Limited, covering an area of 10,000 square meters, with 2 standardized production workshops. The entire process supported by dedicated teams, and driven by continuous design and innovation. Behind each product, a promise of reliability. Our company is widely trusted by international clients, with frequent visits for cooperation discussions. We got numerous certifications and patents. Driver bits, bit set, bit holder, nut driver. We have well-equipped facilities and a top-tier production environment to ensure efficient and high-quality output. Advanced CNC machines ensure precision in production. The straightening machine operates efficiently to ensure product straightness. Strict quality inspections and advanced Taiwan heat treatment technology ensure top performance for every product. Laser marking and magnetization according to customers' requirements. We can magnetic products as requirements. Rigorous quality inspection guarantees every product we deliver. Professional packing team and fully stocked warehouse ensures your supply chain security. Streamlined logistics. Global reach, delivery on time. TOOJY top quality screwdriver bit manufacturer in China. Our global partnerships turn precision engineering into your success.